Here YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Got another video here on Old Red. Today's video, we're going to take this truck to its very first truck show. Now, I didn't build this truck to be a show truck. That's not what it's intended to be. It's just supposed to be a nice work truck. And I really, until last night, had no plans of taking this truck to the truck show today. I planned on going out there and kind of checking out what else is out there, but I really don't have all day to spend out there. But kind of last minute, last night, I decided, you know what? I'm gonna come in here early this morning. I'm gonna hook up the trailer and we're gonna take this thing down there. So anybody that comes out can come out and check it out. And I'll be in and out throughout the day. I don't have all day to spend there. I'm gonna have the wife come pick me up here after a little while, and I have to go get a few other things done, and I'll come back and I'll try to be there as much as possible or get you some footage of the truck show for those of you guys that don't make it out. And it should be a good day. But anyway, they've already opened up truck parking. I should probably be there right now. And I just got the truck fired up here. I got to get hooked up, get ready to go here, and take you guys along for the ride. So we are off like a herd of turtles, heading to the Hammer Down Truck Show in Mandan, North Dakota. Off we go. Alright, so we're out here at the Hammer Down Truck Show in Mandan, North Dakota. It's a pretty local event to me. Been out here pretty much all day. I've been in and out throughout the day here, but it's kind of dying down over this part here for right now. They got the truck and tractor pulls going on right now. Been really great here so far, but we've got well over 100 trucks out here today. A lot of really cool stuff, both newer stuff and older stuff, like this absolutely beautiful Freightliner cab over parked right next to me here. Got Old Red out here. Got just tons of absolutely gorgeous trucks out here, like this 83 359 right here, just like Old Red is here. Absolutely gorgeous truck, beautiful. Got a 65 359 right here. Such a cool truck. It's old Kenworth. Makes my back hurt just looking at this thing. Yo, I was thinking this was a Detroit. This is actually 903 Cummins by the looks of it. That's pretty cool. This is probably my favorite truck I've seen out here today. Not sure if they're going for the rat rod look or if this is a work in progress, but God, I would sure love to have this truck. Old Kenworth. I'm not even exactly sure what model or year that would be. Very cool truck though. It's got an aluminum frame on it. You can see they actually kind of started sanding down and polishing the frame on it. That's that'd be kind of cool. Got it parked under this old cattle trailer. I don't think there's a whole lot of this thing here left, but such a cool looking truck. I don't think that oil bath hub would pass a DOT. Got a W900A here. Very cool old truck. Things were definitely very basic back in the day. Not a problem. Thank you.
YouTube videos all
awesome, man.
the time.
Okay, nice to meet you.